What's up, guys? It's Jeramie Lou Photography. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We are just doing an unboxing of a ring light that I got to help me improve my YouTube videos. We've got the audio, we have the lights, but I wanted something a little more portable, so I have this amazing ring light that we're opening today. And we're gonna open it, I'm gonna see what's in it and do a quick test for you guys so you guys see what's going down. But this is, I bought it on Amazon, so I'll put a little link to it. It's the Neewer 14-inch fluorescent light. You'll see the description. They have no name for this thing. It's called the Neewer 14-inch photo video light. But it's a ring light, and it's circular. And the goal with this is that I actually ordered a little desk stand for it. So I have tripods, light stands all over the place. I don't need those. But I have a little desk one that I can put on my desk. So when I am filming videos on the computer or live streaming in the future, I can put my phone directly through this. Or my camera through this and get some directional light that I need. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing for you guys and we'll see what's in here. We'll see what we got. This thing's about $58, like 3.5 stars on everything. And it was shipped exactly like this. So with this little, with the box of what it is, and I hate when it's shipped like that because I really don't like people knowing what we're getting. You know, just because whatever. Cool, just like that, this box can go. Comes in this cool little Neewer box. I think that's how you say it, Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R. But cool case, I like things with cases. I'm sitting in my garage right now doing this unboxing. Office is behind me if you guys can tell. Awesome. So we're opening this thing up. Pretty cool, it's just like regular foam, styrofoam that they've done cut out, so not the pick and pull foam. First thing we got in here, obviously, is going to be directional. Thank you for your recent purchase. My name is Jun Huang. I'm the president of Neewer Technology. A letter from the president. That's what I like. Pretty cool. All right, so I needed something smaller. I actually have a Diva ring light already that we use in the studio. This is cool. All right. So from what I know about this thing is on and off only, and there is no dimmer to it. That's an issue because if you actually go onto the link, it'll say that it dims. I don't know if they've changed it, but it said that it dimmed when I ordered it and I actually read the reviews after. This does not dim, guys. So the light is what it is, and the closer you get it, it's super bright. The farther you get it, it's not as bright, but the light in general is going to be super bright for you. So you're going to have to know that when you're adjusting, it's a cheaper price, and that's probably the reason that it's cheaper. I mean, this case is actually really awesome for this product. So, pretty lengthy cord here. I mean, this thing looks super bulky and super long. There is a basic tripod mount. So this will loosen, this will tighten, this will go onto any tripod light stand that you guys have already. And there is no, which is weird, there is no outer diffusion panel or a sock or anything that should go over it. There should be something to soften this light a little bit. But the cool thing with this thing is that as it's filming me, so it'll be like this, it'll create a ring light in my eye, in my iris, and it should soften up a lot of light. You'll see this in a lot of makeup tutorials. I wanted this small for a smaller footprint onto my desk, and I think that'll do the job. We'll have to test it and see. And then there is a, I don't want to call it a cold shoe mount, but it's a cold shoe mount. So theoretically, you can put anything with a mount into here, but there is no locking mechanism. So if you were to put a flash or a cold shoe female adapter or whatever into here, it can slide forward, especially if your light's doing this. Cool accessory. I actually don't think I'm going to use it. I think I'm going to use another tripod or light stand into here, maybe a Gorilla Pod or something to that effect. That's it. There is no sock. So that's kind of it for this. Pretty basic, $57. Let's do a little test and see what we get. All right, guys, so we are in my wife's office on the desk in our bedroom. I needed some place with a little bit of ambient light. I am shooting during the day right now, so I wanted something with a little bit of ambient light to kind of show you guys what we're dealing with. I have this plugged in just like that, and we're gonna turn this on to see how bright it is. I might have to adjust a few things on the iPhone itself. We're gonna turn this on and you're gonna see it, the iPhone will auto adjust itself. I might have to do an AE lock on this and a exposure lock, but I think you guys will kind of get the gist, and we'll see what it looks like, and we'll see if I have to return it or not, because I always have a feeling when I buy something a little bit cheaper, I have to return things. So we're just gonna turn it on. Whew. Cool. So super bright. I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like before I'm gonna show you the actual use of it. Boom, look at that. So actually I just turned this on. I'm happy that I redid it. When I turned it on, this part was super bright. This part was dim. The whole bulb wasn't lit correctly. So I turned it off and on, and that's kind of why I forewarned you about the might have to send it in. So now it's fixing itself. I'm super happy. Very directional light, very bright. You guys can see by my shadow back here, the iPhone's auto adjusting, but very bright. And what we're gonna do is, this is how I would set it up normally for everybody. It would actually go, sorry, I don't have a stand for this. It would actually go maybe behind my phone here, and it would do this. So I would look at you guys, and there's a ring around my eyes, and that's what I'm going for. So as I'm talking to you, I would do an interview or a unboxing or anything with this extra light right here. I like this light, and I like it as a desk stand or a like tripod stand on the side, because I can create directional light wherever I need to. So if I need a little bit of light here, I can still do this, but also I can shoot directly around my phone. This is probably 6 inches behind my phone, and you guys are maybe like 8 inches away from my face. But this thing's actually pretty cool for what I need it for. Live streaming YouTube, and I can change just by holding the AE lock down. I can bring this down, and it does a pretty even job of playing with my light. So basically I can move this around now and get the light that I need. So if that feels good to me, then that's where I'm at. But very cool. As a photographer, I'm all about lighting. I'm all about exposure and getting the best out of I can. So these little tools will help me out a ton. I'm gonna put a link to this down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you have this, if you have something similar or something different. This product so far is amazing. You guys will be seeing this in other videos. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. If this helped you out in any way, please give me a thumbs up or comment or both. And then click the bell for notifications as things are coming up. I have a lot of cool videos on the way for you guys, as well as some live streams that I'm setting up as well. I like it. Thank you guys so much. Talk to you later.